Greetings, my inky friends. What it be, how it is, and what's going on, my beloved pen enthusiasts. Larry's here from Larry's Fountain Pens, and welcome to Mail Call. Today is Christmas again. It's always Christmas when I get a package in. Bam! All right, you ready? Let's get to opening up this package. Now, not only do I kind of collect these pens, but I use them a lot, and I wanted to try to complete the set, and I'm almost done. So here's the box, and that's all you get, right? Chop that out. All right, my friends. La la. We're going to do a little slice right there as I cut my arms off. La 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 la. Alright guys, it's been nasty, ugly here in Fort Worth. Rainy, depressed, it's just a depressed day. But it is what it is. And we deal with it and we move forward. Correct? Correct. Gotcha. And got some paper here. Got a box here. And got like a la la la. So I'm going to set this aside with the other junk. Because this is what's important. Right. Got it. Okay, so let's just go ahead and cut her open. And you'll see a black box. Wow, that took some work, right? Are you with me? Cool. Dynamite. So, a cardboard sleeve box. As I turn over the box, it does say Platinum Japan. So let's see what's in it, and I'll give you a full review later in the upcoming weeks after I ink it up, use it for a while, see what I think about the pen, how it feels, how it writes. Open it up, and there is this beautiful burgundy 3776 Platinum. Anything underneath? Got a cartridge and your manual, instructional book, and I'll unscrew this beautiful baby. It comes with a 14K gold nib, but not just any nib. I do have a converter for it. I have an extra one. This is the C nib. So what is a C nib? Well, Japan puts C for double broad. So this is a double broad nib. I have the fine, the medium, the broad, and the music nib, which I really like all them pens a lot. So I wanted to go with the double broad. Yes, it's going to be a lot broader than the broad, but that's cool. I just need to do that for me. You know how it is when you're into pens, you're just flat into pens. In the story. That's going to wind this one up. But stay safe, healthy, wash them hands. Please wash them hands. Wear your mask when you have to, and don't text and drive. Later, my friends. Peace and love. Love you guys. Later.